Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to find saved videos on X. So there are two primary ways how you can save videos on X, and the first way is using Bookmarks feature, and the second way is like post. So first of all, let's go to Bookmark feature. So if you tap the bookmark icon below the post itself, it will add this post to your bookmarks. And let me show you how to find it on your profile. So you want to tap your profile picture in the top left to open this side menu where you can see different sections. You want to go to section bookmarks specifically. And boom, here is the post that I have just saved to my bookmarks page. And also the second way how you can find your saved videos on X, if you like the post. So let me hit a like button, and I want to go to my profile picture in the top left and select profile from those sections. And here I want to scroll through those tabs and go to likes tab. As well, here is the post that I have just liked, and it appears here in the likes section. So yeah, that were the two main ways how you can save videos and how you can later find them on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.